Finding the upper class limits. We will start with the upper class limits because in our problem text we were given the upper class limits. So therefore we have that to work with to begin the process of determining the upper and lower class limits. So to find our upper class limits, we use what we are given in the problem. So we were given that the first two classes, the upper class limits, are $99 and $119. So all we do is add the class width, which we had previously calculated as $20. So we add that to the upper class limit for the first class, that's $99, and that's $119. So that determined our second class, which we were also given, but I just wanted to illustrate the process. Then for our second class, the $119, we add $20 and we get $139. And we continue that process. Okay, so let's switch to Excel to continue the process. In Excel, it's nice to arrange the class limits in separate columns initially while we're working with them and performing calculations. This way the cells are easier to reference and can be referenced individually in formulas. This presentation is more for visual artistic presentation. As far as calculations wise, I cannot reference these numerical values in this format. So I just wanted to give you this practical tip. So let's begin working with our upper class limits. So we had previously calculated that our class width was $20. We were given the upper class limit of $99 and also $119. But I'd like to show you how we can use Excel to help us with the formula. So we will use the next one. Instead of entering the 119 which we were given, we'll go through the process as if we weren't given it. Okay, and we've also calculated that we need 7 classes. Okay, so our first class has the upper class limit of $99. Now let's calculate the upper class limits for the rest of the classes using Excel. So equals, and we'll reference cell D3 plus our class width of $20. So we have $119, which matches the value we were given in the problem text for the second upper class limit. Then we can copy this formula down to complete the upper class limits for the subsequent classes. This is a quick way to copy it down. So oops, we need one more. There we go. So those are our 7 upper class limits.